Hey friends, welcome to another unboxing and review. Today I am checking out the Baseus Inspire line of audio devices with Sound by Bose. They've teamed up with Bose for just a crazy audio experience, which is pretty sweet. Baseus has been around for a while with millions, over 300 million users and 2,500 innovative patents. The XC1 open-ear true wireless earbuds are possibly the finest open-ear buds you've ever experienced, featuring Sound by Bose for signature premium sound. Bose legendary audio engineers have fine-tuned the sound performance through hundreds of acoustic tests to ensure stunning details, depth, and clarity in every note. Plus Dolby Spatial Audio for immersive 360 sound listening, high-res wireless, and LDAC for detail-rich clarity that's only for Android users. Also featuring hybrid two-way sound engine, digital processing, and active crossovers combine a dynamic woofer for deep bass and exclusive Knowles balanced armature tweeter for rich mids and sparkling highs. Tuned with Baseus's adaptive Super Bass 3.0 and Super Balance 3.0 technologies, these open-ear headphones deliver full range, high-fidelity sound just as the artist intended. With zero sense air cushions designed for all-day wear, these clip-on earbuds provide a curved, adaptive fit, flexible ring joints tested with 10,000 bends, and non-irritating soft liquid silicone. Lightweight and breathable, ideal for running, workouts, or daily use without ear fatigue or discomfort. Featuring an IP66 waterproof rating, it's going to make sure you can use this in any environment. Long-lasting battery life, up to 8 hours per charge, 40 hours with the case, and a quick 10-minute charge gives you 2.5 hours of playtime. Enjoy seamless, crystal clear calls on the move. A 4-way mic array with AI voice pickup and wind noise reduction keeps you clearly heard, even through traffic crowds or cycling at fast speeds. All right, my friends. So final thoughts on these earbuds. They're like super comfortable. Like I said, they're lightweight. You don't feel like they're not gonna come off of there. I mean, I don't think I could physically shake my head hard enough to have these things come flying off there. So that's pretty nice. They're like, you barely even feel that they're on there. The sound quality is crazy good. I like that I can still hear. I don't like the ones where like you it deadens the sound all around you, so the only thing you can hear is music. I think they're kind of dangerous unless you like if you're riding around or something like that. I would prefer like the ones where you can hear the song, the music, or the whatever you're listening to, as well as the other sounds around you. If you're in your home or something like that, then that's cool. If you want to deaden out all the sounds or you're trying to focus, I understand. But I kind of like these for as far as like you can still hear what's going on around you. Um, Excellent sound quality. The volume, I cranked it up all the way. It's plenty loud. Um, whether it was loud or quiet, I didn't hear. Sometimes if you crank up some speakers, you can hear a little static, some crackling when the bass hits or something like that. Nothing like that. Just really good quality. I'm super impressed with it, guys. Okay, factory reset on the bottom. So hold down for 8 seconds there, and the factory resets. Okay, so good to know. But yeah, guys, if you guys are looking for some sweet little earbuds that are they're really nice. I mean, what else can I say? Excellent sound quality and decent as far as like the microphone and the ability to talk back as well. Switched over to the earbuds here on the audio. So I'm talking to you on the microphone. Microphone's not that one. I'm not using that one. So if I tap it here, you can hear that. So I haven't listened to this audio yet, but I just got done as far as like the recording the microphone sound. Just got done listening to some songs on here. Wow. These things, excellent sound quality. The bass is really good. These feature an IP66 rating, so you can wear them in the shower, basically anywhere. They're going to be good, except for like submerging underwater. So these are very lightweight. I've never worn ones like these before. They're just going to clip on the back of the ear here. The button to change the sound or on it is just there's a button right here. It's very convenient behind the ear. On there, you just press that. Triple tap to go back, double tap go forward. Hold down the right one, volume up. After I think like 3 seconds, starts to turn the volume up in increments, and then volume down on this one. So very comfortable, excellent sound quality. The battery is supposed to last up to 40 hours. Check out the case. It's like very cool. The green light indicator means like I believe decently. The light indicates as it gets lower, so it's like orange and red as low. Obviously, orange is about medium, green, and we're doing good on that. So, um, yeah, really like how easy these are to wear, and even though they're like they just kind of just like flip over the ear. Like I said, never worn them like this before, but they're really comfortable. I'm not sure how they look. I haven't watched my video yet. Maybe it looks like an earring clipped on there or something like that. Um, but lightweight. I feel like I'd wear these all day and it really wouldn't be a problem either.
All right, moving along here, we have the Baseus Inspire XH1 noise canceling headphones with sound by Bose and exceptional sound quality. Enjoy an exceptional audio experience with Baseus' finest headphones yet, featuring sound by Bose for signature premium audio. And guys, you have to hear it to believe it. Dolby spatial audio for immersive 360-degree sound, high-res certification for stunning clarity, and LDAC for 3 times the audio detail of standard Bluetooth, guys. They truly are amazing. With incredible sound profile built with angled drivers and optimized acoustic chambers for deep bass and balanced sound, tuned by Super Bass 3.0 and Super Balance 3.0, plus SoundFit hearing personalization via the Baseus App. The wireless headphones Bluetooth deliver a truly immersive tailored sound experience. You can set up through the app. Basically, it starts pinging these this little noise, and you just hit the app when you can't hear it anymore, and you go through this little test, and it fine tunes the audio for your specific hearing. It's pretty crazy, guys. These also have premium adaptive active noise cancellation. They block out distractions with precision. The adaptive 4-layer hybrid ANC system analyzes your surroundings 384,000 times per second to reduce noise by up to negative 48 decibels, which is pretty crazy. Ideal noise canceling headphones for flights, commutes, or deep focus sessions, guys. With these, you can truly just kind of drown out everything around you. It's truly exceptional. So whether you're working on something or you're trying to protect your hearing, or you just don't want to hear all the hustle and bustle of life around you and just enjoy your music or your podcast, this truly exceptional, and with the comfort and style, you can wear these all day long and just enjoy it. These also feature a week-long playtime. Enjoy up to 100 hours of non-stop playtime with active noise canceling off, or 65 hours with ANC on. A 10-minute fast charge delivers 12 more hours. So that's pretty crazy, guys. If you're doing your thing and you need to do a fast, quick charge, 10 minutes is going to give you 12 hours of more listening time. So that's pretty insane. Previously, you'd have to basically, it was pretty much 1-for-1 on the charging. You'd throw it on there, and that's about how long your battery would last, it seems like. But this technology has advanced quite a bit now. You can see how supple and just soft and cushiony the supports here on here around the ears and the head, and it's basically velvet-like cloud comfort. It's ergonomic over-ear Bluetooth headphones wrapped in velvet-like protein leather and padded with soft, resilient memory foam, guys. This is truly an exceptional, comfortable experience where you're not even realizing these are on your head. I've worn similar devices before where it kind of actually starts hurting the top of my head before, so it's not a lot of fun. These are literally they literally offer cloud-like comfort for all day wear at home, at work, or on the go. So I mean, they're truly nice. You have to wear them to really truly appreciate it. And finally, these have 5-mic AI clear calls. You can make every call sound face-to-face with 5-mic ENC AI-powered noise reduction. The headphones' wireless Bluetooth provides crystal clear conversation in busy streets, noisy cafes, or even 7-decibel environments. So, yeah, just everything about these is super well done, my friends. I'm really impressed with all of it. And as you'll see, as I do a little bit more deeper on the testing here, these are just an exceptional audio device. I'm just really, really impressed with both the XH1 and also the XC1. Probably the best sound I have heard on either earbuds or over the over-the-ear headphones. All right, just to touch on the app a little bit, you can activate or deactivate the Dolby Audio. You can go to an equalizer and just customize that, or it has different settings for like rock or jazz or anything. You have a low latency mode. You can go to sound settings. You can do a dual device connection. The app's really helpful too, and like showing you like which buttons you need to push on your thing. Give you a little tutorial. Also for the XH1s, I mean, you has the buttons for a normal ANC transparent or noise reduction mode, and it truly is noise reduction. You can do the low latency mode also. Set up the hearing protection, do Inspire Care, has a sleep mode, equalizer also. So just a lot of different things on here, including the ability to find your device, which is pretty sweet. It shows up where it's at. Just pretty crazy, guys. Really like these. I think you will too.
Okay, for this one, I'm actually using the Bluetooth off of the headset here, so you can hear what it sounds like on here. But yeah, guys, overall, just an excellent quality set here. Yeah, just the app is super user friendly, sets up right away. When you turn it on, it connects right away. It gives you the audible, gives you the audible prompting, so you actually know. There's nothing more annoying than trying to connect and it's not telling you what it's doing. It's not telling you, is the power on? Do you have to search for some little power light or something like that to see if it's on? This one, it tells you everything: battery life, power on, Bluetooth connected, and it's right away too. It's not like no mess around. I use Android, and it was, I don't know about Apple devices, but with the Android, it was instantaneous, basically within like 1 or 2 seconds. So very cool. As soon as I turn it on, yeah, so you can hear the audio here. All right, guys. So we checked these out. Super comfortable, amazing sound. Just, I don't really have anything bad to say about this product. It's pretty crazy. I'll check out this one and just listen to the sound. So these, put that on. It's so comfortable. Actually, I can hear like the kind of like the noise sound deadening right away. So let's see here. Power on, battery full, connected. So wow, that was right away. As soon, and I like how it gives you like voice prompts too. It said power on, battery high, connected. So tells you everything you need to know, nice and clear. Let's check out some sound on this, shall we? Throw on some Amazon music. And boom, 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 ba-dum, ba-dum. Okay. Here we go. It's so clear. Volume up. Very smooth, very clean sound. The buttons are super responsive. Check out the app here. Now this has all the things I've connected on here. So I have the Inspire XC1, the XH1, and the other XH1. So on here we can see, we click on this, it's going to show us everything on the app about this thing. I can do normal mode, transparency mode, and when you click on it, it tells you like, so this allows me to hear the outside and the inside, so it brings it in. Even though these are noise canceling, transparency mode, we have noise reduction mode. So it has literal like ANC if there's something louder outside, even more noise canceling. So this is super cool. The app has a ton of stuff on there. I can do sound fit, dual connection device, Inspire Care, sleeping mode, gesture settings. It tells you where the buttons are in the configuration on here.
Guys, the app is super user friendly. Everything about this, very responsive, excellent sound quality. I mean, the music is like literally, the sound is insane. Very good. Microphone on here if you're talking to someone, like you want to answer your phone or something like that. It's got mobile assistance, bass boost. We're going to go to bass boost. You can feel it like kicks in the bass a little bit. But guys, these are like super comfortable. I mean, this leather or this material is very supple. It's not like sometimes you wear some and there's like pressure points and things like that. And that's not the case with these. These are very well done. The sound quality, you know, teaming up with Bose is just phenomenal, actually. I'm really impressed with these. Like, these are, like, they're really comfortable. The way that these adjust back and forth, even though the music's quite loud, if it's out here, you can't really hear it. Just the quality of this is pretty crazy. Just a very nice looking headset. The sound is crazy. I'm really impressed with this brand, guys, as far as this would seem like a pretty high-end sound quality. Yeah, and the way that this allows it to move, which either way, so whether your head is maybe a little different shape or whatever, this has plenty of configuration and stretch. Look at that, just comes out smoothly. So if you have, this is just like a perfect fit. No loud clicking noises too, it just kind of goes in there. That's like literally like a perfect fit. I mean, guys, just a really nice, excellent quality. I'm kind of blown away with the sound quality. Don't care for that song too much, but the sound quality is amazing, actually. The noise canceling and is phenomenal. And also if I want to hear the stuff around me too, which is nice if you're maybe riding your bike or something, you don't want to be completely distracted. So be able to hear like the outside ambient noise. But guys, if you're looking for like a sweet, excellent sound quality, either over the ear headphones or the earbuds things, these, I'm pretty sure like these are comparable with any other high-end like sound quality you're gonna find out there. I mean, you have to hear it to believe it, but it's pretty excellent. Anyways, my friends, thanks so much for watching this review. I hope it's helpful. I'm gonna link these in the description below if you guys wanna check them out. I highly recommend them. Have a great day, and I'll see y'all next time.